Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. So with these, I went ahead and made some more of the wire covered beads. And I'm probably going to make more of them and end up making a couple of necklaces and probably some more bracelets. But I am going to be using these wire covered beads that I made. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use just some solid color small beads. Well, not small beads. I think these might be like 15 millimeter. And then probably put some charms on them. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. We are going to find our hole. And these are very easy to make. I think there's a video on here showing you how to cover these, any bead really, with wire, and then add some little smaller beads on it. So all we're doing, we're not doing a whole lot to it. We're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this all the way down. We're just gonna go ahead and use some white beads, solid white. And then for the other bracelet, we'll use solid yellow. And then this will be a 3-piece set I'm going to add to Poshmark. And then I think I might add it to, add them to Fair. And when I add to Fair, any items to Fair, I add to Fair at wholesale. So they'll be at a wholesale price. When I put them on Poshmark, they're retail. So this is all we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and add some charms once we finish beading. And my thought is, because of color, to just go ahead and, that already just looks pretty like that. And then we'll add some, I think I'm going to add one more bead on here. 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. No, we'll leave it like this. So we'll do 7 and 7. And then we'll go ahead and just tie it. I am using a 1.5 millimeter cord. Oops. 1.5 millimeter cord. My hands are slippery. I'm thinking because it's so hot. It's like 82 degrees, I think. 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. 1.5 millimeter cord is what I'm using, and I generally use 1.5 millimeter cord for any beads that have big holes. When they have the smaller holes, that's like a 1 millimeter hole, one or a little bit larger than a 1 millimeter, I'll use a 1 millimeter cord. But anything larger, like 1.5 or wider hole, I'll use 1.5. And I do that because it's thicker wire. So all I'm doing is doubling this right here so I can fit that knot into that hole. And I use the 1.5 only because it just feels more secure. It doesn't feel like that 1 millimeter cord. I think I heard somebody else say it, or they posted it, and they was talking about how thin that 1 millimeter cord feels, and it really does. Like, you know, they really made it thinner. So this is really pretty, just like with the white. And then we're going to add some charms onto it. And just go ahead and make it just really pretty solid bracelets.
I saw your shadow move last night, dancing slow beneath the light, a silhouette that stole my air. and I just stop and stare. Your glow, it bends the world around. I'm weightless now without a sound. Underneath the moonlight, we collide. Your heartbeat pulls me, I can't hide. Underneath the moonlight, no disguise. I'm falling deeper, lost inside. Underneath the moonlight, we collide, we collide. Your heartbeat pulls me, I can't hide. Underneath the moonlight, no disguise, no disguise. I'm falling deeper, lost inside. Your laugh is silky, loves me tight. A melody that owns the night. The stars leaning, they're taking note. Your beauty sings the heavens roll. Tell me how the sky gets jealous when you shine so bright, rebellious every glance. It feels brand new underneath this velvet hue. Underneath the moonlight, we collide. Your heartbeat pulls me, I can't hide. Underneath the moonlight, no disguise. I'm falling deeper, lost inside. Underneath the moonlight, we collide, we collide. Your heartbeat pulls me, I can't hide. Underneath the moonlight, no disguise, no disguise. I'm falling deeper, lost inside.
You're the sugar in my tea. Oh, how you sweeten me like honey dripping from a tree. It's you I always see. Every word you say is a melody, buzzing like a bee, oh baby, sweet as can be. You're as sweet as sweet can be, candy-coated fantasy. Stick to me like bubble gum, together till the end we'll hum. Oh darling, sweet as
is warm, it hums so slow. A velvet sky begins to glow. The moon's a whisper, not a scream, soft as a cradle, holding dreams. Velvet skies, wrap me up in your lullabies. Hold me close, don't let me go. Velvet skies, I need you so. The stars are winking, sly and bright. They gossip secrets through the night.